How to find MoonPay wallet address, MoonPay wallet address tutorial. If you wish to find wallet address on MoonPay, all you have to do is make sure to launch the MoonPay app, and this is the interface you will see. Now from here, what you have to do is, depending upon which wallet address you want, like let's say you want to receive crypto, you need to copy your crypto wallet address for Bitcoin. If you want to receive Bitcoin, you need a Bitcoin address. If you want to receive Ethereum, you need Ethereum address. For that, tap on the MoonPay profile from the top left corner of the screen from here, and when you do that, you'll land on this page. From here, under wallets, tap on your assets. From your assets, you can see buy, sell and send, but what we want to do is receive or find our wallet address. So tap on the three dots icon on the right hand side and tap on the option called deposit. Now when we select deposit, if I'm trying to deposit Bitcoin, I need to tap on Bitcoin and this will be my Bitcoin wallet address. If I want to deposit Ethereum, I can tap on Ethereum and this will be my Ethereum wallet address, and so on and so forth. That way you can find your MoonPay wallet address. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.